Finding a safe, affordable, and easy way to prevent trucks, trailers, 4x4s, and heavy-duty vehicles from rolling during emergencies, maintenance, or parking periods can be quite the challenge. Fortunately, this is the perfect solution. More specifically, this is the Safeload small and medium wheel chocks. They are an added security prevention for 5 to 20 ton semi-trucks, 4x4s, trailers, RVs, and cars. Using them is extremely easy. All you have to do is place the chocks against the vehicle's wheel and you are set. They have a rib designed to take all possible force and distribute downforce weight. They also have serrated edges for maximum traction. Of course, they are made from very durable, long-lasting materials. This prevents vehicles from rolling back while the vehicle itself is parked, in emergency situations or just regular maintenance. Safeload wheel chocks are available at leading retail outlets and Safeload partners.